Thinking about grabbing that JetBlue credit card but wondering if it's just another piece of plastic in your wallet? Let's break down whether it's actually worth it for you. First, consider your flying habits. Do you primarily fly JetBlue, even occasionally? The rewards are tailored specifically for JetBlue loyalists. If you're all about flexibility and bounce between airlines, this might not be your best bet. Now, let's talk rewards. Most JetBlue cards earn TrueBlue points on every purchase. Look closely at how many points you earn per dollar spent in different categories, like JetBlue purchases, restaurants, or everyday spending. This is where you'll see real value add up. How easily can you use those points? Browse the TrueBlue redemption options. Can you find flights that fit your travel schedule and budget? Are there blackout dates? Some cards also offer perks like free checked bags and in-flight discounts. Don't forget those annual fees. Some JetBlue cards have them, some don't. Weigh the annual fee against the potential rewards and benefits you'll actually use. If the rewards outweigh the fee, it's a win. Ultimately, the JetBlue credit card is worth it if you frequently fly JetBlue, can maximize the rewards categories, and the value of the benefits outweighs any annual fee. Analyze your own travel patterns to decide.